Forests cover approximately 31% of the Earth's total land area. Boreal forests contain 30% of the planet's carbon, playing a crucial role in regulating global climate. Rainforests are home to more than half of the world's species of plants and animals. Old-growth trees can communicate and defend each other through underground fungal networks called mycorrhiza. Amazon basin releases 20 billion tons of moisture into the atmosphere daily, influencing global weather. Forest fires can actually stimulate new growth, as some seeds require heat to germinate. Forest soils are so biodiverse that just 1 teaspoon may hold several billion bacteria from thousands of species. Urban forests can reduce city temperatures by up to 8 degrees Celsius by providing shade and releasing water vapors. Mangrove forests protect coastlines from erosion and storm surges by dissipating wave energy. Forests store over 861 billion tons of carbon, helping to mitigate climate change. Taiga, or boreal forests, span across continents and are the world's largest terrestrial biome. One tree can absorb as much as 48 pounds of carbon dioxide per year. The oldest tree in a forest can be over 5,000 years old, like the Great Basin bristlecone pine. Medicinal plants found in tropical forests are used in 25% of Western pharmaceuticals. Forest fragmentation leads to edge effects that drastically alter microclimates and species composition. In a single forest, there can be more than 300 species of trees per hectare in the Amazon. Forests influence global and local water cycles through transpiration and evaporation. The lungs metaphor, often used for forests, is somewhat misleading. Forests consume most of the oxygen they produce. Temperate forests cycle significantly more CO2 and O2 annually due to seasonal changes than tropical forests. Every year, forests receive 35% of all precipitation that falls on Earth. Vertical stratification in rainforests allows multiple ecosystems to coexist in the same area. Forests provide livelihoods to over 1.6 billion people worldwide. The canopy in rainforests can be so thick that it takes 10 minutes for a raindrop to reach the ground. Over 200 million people live in forests worldwide, including many indigenous communities. Cloud forests are unique in that they derive moisture from cloud cover, supporting diverse ecosystems. Deciduous forests shed their leaves to conserve moisture during cold or dry seasons. Forests reduce noise pollution by acting as sound barriers. Pine forests release chemicals called phytoncides, which have been found to reduce stress and boost immunity. More than 8,000 years ago, large areas of the Sahara were once covered by forests. Forest bathing, a practice from Japan, involves immersing in a forest atmosphere for wellness. Energy flow in forests is so efficient that the top predators obtain energy from sunlight indirectly but rapidly. Dark diversity refers to species in forest ecosystems that are present but not currently visible or dominant. The leaf area index in some dense forests can be as high as 12, indicating intense photosynthesis. Forests act as massive filters, purifying water naturally as it passes through their soil. Non-timber forest products include fruits, nuts, and spices, crucial for both local and global economies. Rainforest canopy houses 40% of all plant species found in tropical forests. Woodpecker roles in forests include controlling insect populations and creating habitats for other species. For every 10% increase in forest cover, water flow is increased by up to 4%. Forests are disappearing at a rate of 10 million hectares per year, equivalent to 27 soccer fields per minute. Bamboo forests grow rapidly, up to 35 inches per day, making them a sustainable resource. The Siberian taiga relies heavily on the forest ecosystem of the Russian Far East for its survival. Forests host the majority of terrestrial biodiversity, including countless fungi, insects, and bird species. Acid rain affects forests by altering soil chemistry and damaging sensitive tree species. Tree line. The edge of the habitat at which trees are capable of growing is determined by altitude and temperature. Evergreen forests maintain their foliage all year round, providing constant photosynthesis and habitat. Forest elephants play a key role in forest ecology by dispersing seeds and modifying the forest floor. Agroforestry combines agriculture and forestry practices to enhance land productivity and biodiversity. Forests generate significant amounts of cloud cover, influencing both local and regional climates. Forest restoration can significantly increase water yield and quality by stabilizing soils and reducing runoff. Alpine forests are crucial for protecting mountainous regions from avalanches and soil erosion.